everyone, I'm Joe. Welcome to Ford. We are home of the F-150 pickup, which, by the way, was named Best Truck of 2017 by Motor Trend magazine. 2019 Transit Connect is another leap forward. Now you may ask, how does one decide what to change and improve in their vehicles? Well, we keep up with emergent technologies, and along with these, we introduce technologies Ford has developed into these vehicles. But even more importantly, we listen to you, our customers. You tell us what you'd like changed, added, etc. And the Ford development teams, they go to work. And the 2019 Transit Connect cargo van, it's a perfect example of that. Today's Transit Connect features some really exciting new technologies, as well as several changes driven by customer feedback. And the result is one terrific new cargo van. More versatile than ever, offering a choice of two wheelbases, the most configuration possibilities in its class. Dual sliding doors that provide wide, easy access to the expansive cargo area. Convenient storage compartments and improved seat comfort and new interior colors. And Ford Pass Connect with an embedded modem which provides Wi-Fi for up to 10 devices. Once you're in there, it's going to be no doubt you're going to be impressed. Not only by the seats, but by the entire layout of the cab. It is designed for comfort, convenience, and safety. You'll notice how the layout is designed to keep the driver's eye on the road. Add in the comfort and convenience factors, and you got yourself a great cab. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2019 Transit Connect cargo van. It is a new gem in the compact van segment.